Hi everybody, we are going to Paris, and that is going to be our second episode here. My wife and I, Kelly, we've been married for 10 years. This is our 10-year wedding anniversary, so we're headed to Paris, but I'm going to do a ton of street photography while I'm there. We're doing 2-day trips. We're going to go 1 day to Versailles, and we're going to do 1 day to Giverny to go to Monet's gardens and his estate and check out the little town. I can't wait for you to experience this with us. We're going to eat, we're going to drink a lot of wine, and we're going to take a lot of pictures and go check out what's happening. One of the things I'm excited to see, or I don't know if excited is the right word, but like last week, Notre Dame caught on fire, and most of it, or a lot of it, burned down. So I'm really interested to see what that's like. And we went to Paris 4 years ago for the first time, and then my wife studied there when she was in college. So we are not strangers to Paris. We have our favorite spots, and I'm going to tell you about them, and I'm going to tell you about my favorite spots to go do street photography there. Let's go have some fun, all right? So we just got to Paris. Say hey, Kel.
Hello.
And we are headed, we checked into our Airbnb, and we are headed to an outdoor market in the Marais called Marches De Enfant Rouge, which means the March of the Red Children. And it's supposed to be cool. It's supposed to have good food, wine. I don't know, hopefully a good spot to take some photos. We'll see what happens. I brought the Leica M240 with a 35 Summicron today. Let's go have some fun. You want some fun?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. We walked around the market and we decided on Moroccan food for lunch. It looks so good, it's ridiculous. I haven't even taken a picture yet with my camera because I'm so hungry. So when you come here to the market, there's also this really cool vintage photo shop that has really great black and white photos. Super cool. Really impressed. It's right on the edge. Can't miss it. So this market is super cool. I totally recommend it. There's so many great places to eat, stuff to drink. People are friendly. It's lively. There's a lot of people here. Come check it out while you're in Paris. Marches De Enfant Rouge. They got wine.